Becky from PowerToolsWithThread.com. I just got my new Grace Canique 21 Pro and my new Grace Continuum 2 frame, and I just absolutely love this setup. So far so good, and I'm very excited to start using it. But I wanted to share with you something that I really didn't think about when I first started to put all of this together. Was on my old frame, the general rule of thought is that you will have your most narrow leader on your take-up rail up here, and you will have the next widest one be on the belly bar and the very widest one be on the lower bar. Well, on this new Continuum frame, there is an idle rail, and I love that because it's going to provide great tensioning in the quilting space. But when I first put my leaders on, my short leader wasn't long enough to be able to come down and come underneath that idle rail. So I just ended up swapping out the most narrow leader. Now I have the longest one up here on the take-up rail, and it doesn't really provide any amount of bulk or anything like that. And if I found out that it did, I think I've got a sewing machine around here. I can probably, make it a little bit more narrow if I needed to. But I just swapped that one out with the bottom third rail since I float my tops most of the time anyway. I just wanted to give that tip to you that if you have a Continuum 2 frame without an idle rail, and you're going to get one, which I highly recommend, or if you're getting a brand new frame, then you will need to swap out what you would normally do for the take-up rail leader, and you're going to want to put one of the longer leaders up there on the take-up rail. And that way you'll be able to get underneath and be able to pull it so that you can actually pull it long enough to be able to pin your top to your leader. I hope this tip was helpful, and I hope you enjoy your quilting. We'll talk to you soon. Go sew something. Bye.